call
Bianca.
Bianca.
Bianca. Please come here, Bianca.
Okay. Bianca, are you ready? Yeah, please introduce yourself first.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
My name is Bianca. I will tell you about my holiday plan. I want to go to Japan. Japan has many interesting places. For example, Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is a very beautiful place. I really like it. Mount Fuji is famous for its beautiful shape and the amazing view from the top.
Japan is also
Japan is also famous for Disneyland. It was the first American amusement park to open in Japan. It has more than 50 rides. I want to visit Disneyland someday. I want to go to Japan because I want to eat my favorite food and drink, which are sushi and thank you for listening.
Okay, good job, Bianca. Thank you, Bianca. The next
next one. Let's call